Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open a BMW 7 Series bonnet. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely. Then, from the driver's seat, reach down to your left footwell. You'll find a distinct lever there. Pull this lever once to partially release the bonnet, then pull it a second time to fully disengage the primary latch mechanism. This two-step pull is a common BMW design feature. After pulling the interior release lever twice, step out of your car and move to the front. You should notice the bonnet has popped up slightly, creating a small gap along the front edge. This indicates that the primary latches have successfully disengaged. If it hasn't, gently push down on the bonnet and try pulling the interior lever again to ensure both pulls registered. Now, with the bonnet slightly open, gently lift it upwards from the front edge. You'll find that the BMW 7 Series bonnet is supported by gas struts, meaning it will smoothly lift and hold itself open without the need for a separate prop rod. This convenient design allows for easy access to the engine compartment for inspections or maintenance tasks. To close the bonnet, simply lower it gently until it is approximately 40 centimeters above the closed position. Then, release it, allowing its own weight to drop and engage the latches. For a secure closure, apply a firm, even press on both sides of the bonnet, ensuring both latches click into place. This confirms your bonnet is fully closed and safe for driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.